Now for the next thing you can do with arrays, I'll create a new array real quick, which I'll just give join me as elements. And then I'll call concat on array, and I'll pass this new array to this method. Now, what would you imagine that happens now? Well, let's have a look. You see the original array is unchanged, but here this method call returns us a new array, which is a combination of the old array and the new array I'm passing as an argument to this concat function. So concat allows you to combine two arrays into one single array. And as I just said, it's not altering any of the existing arrays. I can print out new array 2 and you'll see it's also unchanged. But instead it creates a new array with the combined values or elements. Now don't mistake concat with join. What do you think happens if I run this? Well, that's certainly something else. Now we get this very strange old join, me1 join, me2 join, me3 join, me4, and the old arrays are untouched. So what is this? Well, join is something completely different. It doesn't join two arrays. It allows you to join an array into a string. And if you pass an array like here, well then basically it's just using this here as a separator, join comma me, which is why you see join comma me, and so on as separators between the values of the old array. A more typical use case would be, for example, to use a comma and a white space. Now if I run this, you'll see much better what this method does. It turns the array into a string and we tell it how to separate the elements inside the string. Of course, we can't just leave out any separator, just build one word.